In this example, the medical research indicates that the risk of having a car accident increases exponentially. For this example, a medical research indicates that the risk of having a car accident increases exponentially as a concentration of alcohol in the blood increases. The risk is modeled by the function Rx equals 6 times e to the power 12.77 times x, where x is the blood alcohol concentration and R as a percent is the risk of having a car accident. In many states, it is illegal for drivers under 21 years old to drive with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.01 or greater. What is the risk of a car accident with a blood alcohol concentration of 0.01 and round to one decimal place? From what we have, the R represents the risk depends on the X. X is the blood alcohol concentration. The Rx is 6 times e to the power 12.77 x. Recall the e is the number which is about 2.71828 and so forth. Okay, the calculator has that button, so you do not have to type the exact value in there. And the question is, what is the risk? What is the R where the blood alcohol concentration of 0.01? So as for the R where X equals 0.01, so then we just replace the X with the 0.01. So 6 multiplied by e to the power 12.77 multiplied by 0.01. I recommend you to put the parentheses around of the product of the power. Okay, let me write in the better form here. So let me clean up a little bit to see the better form. So raised to the power, put parentheses, open the parentheses 12.77 multiply by the value 0.01. And then when you enter in the calculator, you will get the result as 6.8% because the problem asks you to round to one decimal place. And I'll show you real quick how to compute or put in the calculator. For this problem is to compute the R or the risk at x equals 0.01 or the blood alcohol concentration of 0.01. So we enter in the calculator by typing the R multiplied by, and the base is the E. If you look for the the keypad, so you can see the E is above the division sign, or you can use the one above the LN key because this one is more convenient since you have the power to enter, and the power is 12.77. So 12.77 and multiply by 0.01. And make sure when you see the screen, they are on the level of the exponent of the E. And after that, you use the cursor to bring the cursor down. I mean the arrow to bring the cursor down. And after that, check in your expression, you type everything in correctly and then hit enter. And the number that you see is 6.81727 and so forth. The problem asks for just one decimal place, so we just keep the 6.8% as a result.